In the past, we have always longed for graduation, always longed to be able to grow up. We thought graduation day would be one of the best days of our lives. No more high school and able to move out on our own and embark on the independence journey of university.
However, now we realize that it's one of the worst days in our life. Why? That's because it's hard to say goodbye to our friends that have been through 6 or even more years with you.
When we were in year 7, we were all naive kids that shared many of our first time together. First time we're walk fast. First time doesn't need to carry backpack to school. And first time starts to worry about friendship and love.
We are friends that went through all sorts of charms. We are friends that play closely together. And we are friends that grow and share everything with us. There were many challenges, change that we need to face. There were obviously more subjects to take, and of course, more homework and projects need to do. Back then, we thought completing a 500-word essay is the toughest things to do on earth. And teachers who keep asking us to read more books is the most annoying things in the world.
We also need to take over many unforgettable challenges. For example, design and perform synchronized swimming, doing 200 pages of developmental workbook for arts, and constructing database and animation for computer technology. Besides this, there are also many delightful moments. For example, exciting project weeks, sports day, and end-of-year party.
When we were in our junior years, during project weeks, we would go to each other's rooms at night, playing card games, chatting, for the sake of hiding from teachers. But now, we would rather have more sleep in order to be invigorated for the next day.
Throughout this journey, there are surely many incidents happen that we will remember in our lifetime, such as staying up all nights for doing projects, losing homework, being moody, experiencing everyday embarrassments, and being overwhelmed with all the burdens that comes along with being a student nowadays.
Nevertheless, this is what brings us together and what makes us each of us unique. LastMinute.com, Romeo Juliet, Human Savage, to be or not to be, and of course, Talunas. They are all secret code we share, and behind each of them, they represent our unforgettable memories. And those memories are caught in our hearts forever.
During these 6 years, things just come and go in a fraction of a second. But this spaceship journey is so special that we develop a strong bond with each other. That regardless of where we are, who we are, how old we are, we will always be nostalgic for the past. 74 people, 2,022 days, and one big family. Thank you.
This song is composed and written by our friend Lo Kang with a guitar over there. And this song is dedicated to all the graduates of year 2012 of Victoria Shanghai Tech. Please enjoy.
我掉看不见的眼泪，不自禁的微微，就在这夜离别的时候，没有尊卑，却不知我的心一滴微微之而崩溃，回忆直至这微泪，就在这夜，只剩世界的我感到疲惫。我想说再见，却又不得不看你一眼。回忆我们聊天，一起放学，是发生在昨天。不想说再见，恨不得把时间拉长一点，仿佛又忘记我们还会见面。回望过去，发现错过大雨了，错过的爱情有再迟的一天，是吗？任由秋日洗尽波动视线，张微笑的脸，对着雨伞试着远。回望过去，发现忘记包袱了，忘记包袱了。地上的繁星永不会消失，是吗？把回忆变成心中一把吉他，触进深渊间。这是最后的边界。不看你一眼，回忆我们聊天，一起放学，正发生在昨天。不想说再见，只恐怕唱着伤不言，唯有眼泪悄悄地填满眼圈。回望过去，发现错过大雨了。发现忘记包袱了，忘记包袱了。地上的繁星永不会消失，是吗？把回忆变成心中一把吉他，触进深渊间。这是最后的边界。我们经历过很多，有开心的、悲伤的，我们成功过、失败过，但有老师、家长还有同学的陪伴下，让我感到不孤单。现在我们要各奔前程了，感谢各位的照顾，珍重，再见。
William and Jenny. And now the VSA Dance Ensemble will give us a performance.
谢谢 William 和 Jenny。现在 VSA 的舞蹈团会带给我们精彩的舞蹈表演。